how to get Crunchyroll premium subscription. Now, if you wish to get the premium subscription on Crunchyroll, it's actually quite simple. Once you launch the Crunchyroll app, if you have a free account, you will just see from time to time a pop-up that says Go Premium, or you can come to the account option, and from here also you can go to subscription tab and tap on Go Premium. Now there are different type of premium plan. If you do not need offline viewing or to download, you can just choose the fan plan, which is quite cheaper. If you want to download it, it will be $1 expensive, which is going to be a mega fan plan. Now, if you want to subscribe on a monthly basis for $2.39 for mega fan, that's fine. But if you want to subscribe on an annual basis for $23.88, where you'll get 16% discount on monthly plan, then you can tap on start subscription and simply go ahead and start your 7-day free trial. Enter your card details, tap on subscribe, and then you will get Crunchyroll Premium. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically get Crunchyroll Premium. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.